Hey guys, welcome to Eunice channel, and today I will share with you my secret on how to make the best ever tasting spring rolls. So here are the following ingredients that we're gonna need for this recipe. Next thing, we're gonna chop the carrots. This time I'm gonna use the blender. Before I chop it up manually using knife, but it takes a long way to do that. So I decided to use the blender to make it even more faster. Okay, so this time we're going to mix all the ingredients together, and you can use the spoon if you feel like it, or use your clean hands to mix the ingredients. And now let's cook it. So we will cook it for 35 to 40 minutes, making sure that the meat is thoroughly cooked. And then you cover the wok or your pot and check every 7 minutes from time to time until the meat is thoroughly cooked. And when you see all the liquid from the meat has evaporated, then that means it's done. And turn off the stove and let it cool off. You can also transfer it into a bowl and let it cool off completely. And now that it's completely cool, guys, I will show you how to wrap it using the spring roll wrapper. Then you can put 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooked meat in each wrapper, and this is how you wrap the spring roll. Also, we're gonna need a beaten egg, or you can use water, but I prefer beaten egg because it makes the spring roll wrap or sealed completely. So I'll show you how to use it later on. And this is how you use the beaten egg to seal the spring roll. Now that I'm done wrapping it all, I'm going to fry it. I'll show you how to fry it. It is very easy and it only takes 1 minute. Okay, so while waiting for this oil to get hot, let's prepare a bowl and a paper towel for our cooked spring roll later. So I'll show you how it's gonna be done. Okay, so we're gonna cook this spring roll for 1 minute and making sure to keep an eye on it. You don't leave, otherwise you're gonna burn it. So it only takes 1 minute to cook this. When you see it turns golden brown, that means it's done. You can take it out. And it's finally done. Look at this, guys. Look how pretty it is. I can't wait to eat it. It is so yummy looking. Look at that. And you know, this is so crunchy and so delicious. And the best time to enjoy this is when it's quite hot. Or don't eat it right away because you're gonna burn yourself. You're gonna burn your mouth. So wait till it's cool a little bit, and then the best way to enjoy it is when it's warm. So that way you can taste the crispiness, the crunchiness of it. So look at that, I can't wait to eat it. I can't wait to try it. Now I'm getting ready to taste it, and guys, hear the crunch. Did you hear that? Guys, it is so yummy. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care, everyone, and please subscribe to my channel, share my video, and click the notification bell so you'll be updated for more videos. So take care, everyone. See you next time. Bye.